Hello and welcome to Taik. I am Mohammad Adnan, and in this video we are going to discuss about all about the 6 closing and opening DAX in Power BI. If you are new to this channel or if you haven't subscribed yet, just click on the subscribe button and also press the bell icon to get the latest notifications. Now let's get started. This is a Power BI file. In this we have closing balance month, closing balance quarter, closing balance year, and opening balance month, opening balance quarter, and opening balance year. These are the 6 DAX functions which will be very helpful in the inventory calculation, closing and opening of the finance as well. Let's have a look at in detail how it actually works. So I have this purchase table. In this I have created a measure receipt value. It's just a sum of X, purchase detail and purchase detail value. That's it. And about the calculations about the DAX function of these 6, it is pretty simple. So for example, if you take out this one, closing balance month, it is just taking this value and then the date which is taken from the calendar date. So this expression receipt value, this sum of the value, and then the dates, calendar date, and the filter function if required. So in this case I don't need any filter, and also this optional, so we can neglect that as well. The same way it actually works: the closing balance month, closing balance quarter, closing balance year, and then opening balance also the same way: opening balance month, opening balance quarter, opening balance year. The only change is the keyword of that opening balance year, quarter, and month. That's the thing. But rest of the calculation are same. So now let's have a look at the table here. So this is the date here. In this, I have this receipt value, and this is a closing balance, and this taking as a closing balance quarter and closing balance year, and it is opening balance month, opening balance quarter, opening balance year. These are the 6 columns here. If you look at these transactions day by day, I have only transaction on 31st of July. It is 46 lakhs 92,000. This is the closing balance of this month. So it is taking this value as closing balance month. Now this is quarter 3. So going to this August now. In August we have this much of transactions here. And if you go to the last here, the 31st of August, this is the value. And actually this closing balance month, it is taking the value of the last day of the month. Okay, it is 11269. It is taking this value here, and then still the quarter 3 is continuous. And in September also we have transactions, and if you look at the 30th September, we have this value 282. It is taking this 282 value here. And now if you look at this quarter here, closing balance quarter, we have this value as well, 282,375. This is the closing balance of the quarter. Now let's move on to the next quarter. The same way, it is October, closing is 280, so it is showing 280 here in the closing balance month. And in November 30 we have this value 244. It is showing 244 here. And now if you look at this December, we don't have value in the month. The reason is actually we don't have any transaction on 31st of December, so that's why it has not taken the value closing month, and also it's not taken the value closing balance quarter, because the quarter ends on 31st December. And also closing balance year is also not considered because there is no value on 31st December. The same way if you go to the next year 2018, now it is showing the value for closing balance month, quarter, and year as well. In 2018 we have the same thing. Whenever we have an end of month transaction, it is showing the value here. End of quarter transaction, it is showing the value here. If it is end of the year transaction, then it is showing it here. So now going to the end of the 2018, so December 31st, yeah. In December 31st, we have this value. So this value is showing on the closing balance month, and the same value it is showing it on closing balance quarter, and also the same value is showing on closing balance year as well. Because the reason is it is considering only the last of the month, last day of the quarter, last day of the year. That's how it is calculating the closing balance. In the same way, we have value for 2019 as well, so it is showing it here. If you look at this now, it is not showing on the quarter, because the reason is that the second quarter, April, May, and June, We don't have the end date, so month also is empty here. We don't have transaction on end of the May. That is 30th May, it is blank, so it is showing blank for the June month here and the quarter 2 as well. Now let's have a look at the opening value. Opening value is the value starts from 31st of July. It is not taking the first of every month like the closing balance works. Closing balance works on the last day of the month, last day of the quarter, last day of the year. Whereas the opening balance works last day on the previous month, last day of the previous quarter, last day of the previous year. That's why it is extracting the value. Have a look at this one. The 4692 it is taken from the last day of this previous month, 31st July. So it is taken here. So there is no value for quarter and year. So end of the quarter is this the one. So quarter two we don't have value here, right? So that's why it is showing in blank. Now let's have a look at this one. The quarter four starts here. And if you look at the value, it is taking the September 30th value in October opening. So this is why it is taking. So October, November, it is taking 280 here, 280 here. And in the December, it is taking 244, it is taking 244 here. So that's how the year ends here, 2017. And the 2018, we don't have value for this January month because there is no transaction of 31st December. So there is no value available for opening balance month, opening balance quarter, and opening balance year because there is no value on 31st December. So if you go down now, on February we have value because on 31st Jan we have value, it is taking the same value here. So February we have, March we have, and if you go to April we have this value because 31st March value it is taking it here on the April opening and also the second quarter opening as well. So this is how it works. And if you go to the third quarter, it is taking this value of June 30 here on 1st of July third quarter as well. And 2018 is going to end this way. And let's have a look at the 2019. So here in 2018 ends on 31st December, we have this value. So it is taking the same value on the opening balance month, opening balance quarter, and opening balance year. If you like this video, just click on the big thumbs up button. If you are new to this channel or if you haven't subscribed it, just click on the subscribe button and also press the bell icon to get the latest notifications. If you have any queries and feedback, just post it on the comment section below. Share it with your friends and colleagues. Thanks for watching. Keep learning. See you in the next video.